Alyssia.
And I'm Christian.
And welcome to the episode. So usually on this channel, we're talking about what not to eat when it comes to processed foods because we obviously want more of our choices to be healthy and wholesome foods. But sometimes you gotta run and you need to take a snack with you and it needs to be in a package. So today we're going through 10 healthy snack options that you can take with you, and these are all vegan.
And we're gonna taste test all of them for tastiness, deliciousness, and portability.
I have tasted a few of these, but I found all of these on Thrive Market. This is completely a Thrive Market haul, and I'm really stoked to taste, especially the ones that I haven't. So if you're not familiar with Thrive Market, they are an online marketplace with a mission of making healthy living easy and affordable for everyone.
And all their products are priced at 25 to 50% below traditional retail price.
Yes, and everything we have here obviously are snacks. So they sell non-GMO foods. I think actually they're the largest online retailer for non-GMO foods. But in addition to foods and snacks, they also sell non-toxic beauty products, eco-friendly house cleaning products. They sell vitamins, supplements, home goods, all kinds of stuff. The website is really easy to use and everything is organized by health value so you can find exactly what you're looking for. It's definitely worth a peruse.
And if you stick around to the end of the episode, we'll tell you how you can get 25% off your first order.
Definitely worth it. First up,
grain-free tortilla chips.
I have been seeing people post these by Siete.
I'm a tortilla chip head, I gotta say.
I'm okay with tortilla chips, but what are the ingredients here?
Cassava flour, what is that?
Okay, so cassava flour is often confused with tapioca flour. They both come from the same thing, but they're not the same. So tapioca flour is extracted from the root and then processed. Cassava flour is the whole root, peeled, dried, and ground, so it's much less processed and more nutritious.
Very good. And ooh, look, avocado oil, your favorite. Smell limey?
They look like real tortilla chips because I've tried a fake tortilla chip recently. Not fake, but you know what I mean. Oh, we're just going in?
Sorry. Sorry.
Oh my gosh, this tastes like a real tortilla chip.
It tastes like a chip.
Okay. I tried some recently that were coconut flour based and they were like very dense. This tastes just like a tortilla chip. I love the hint of lime. Why would you ever eat a corn tortilla chip when you can eat these? They are so good.
Listen to the crunch factor and get right on the mic.
Actually, I'm all about this.
So next up we have Jackson's Honest sweet potato chips.
What are the ingredients?
Well, I'll tell you, it looks like there are only 3: sweet potatoes, coconut oil, and salt. What do you think about that? All right, so these aren't fried. They have like a proprietary low and slow method they use to cook these up.
Cooked in small batches, low and slow. And I looked this up on their website. It says like, what does that mean? And it says that they have a proprietary process for low and slow cooking. I'm assuming it's just like a dehydrating method.
Yeah, but
they're really
so
good.
crispy.
I love the crisp.
Here.
These are seasoned really well.
Yeah, they are. They're like, the sweetness of the sweet potato is good, and they're just salty enough.
Next up, we've got Lesser Evil Bootable Foods Himalayan Pink Popcorn. This is a really long name. I don't actually even know the name, but whatever. This is popcorn, and it's supposed to be healthy.
And remember, popcorn is, in fact, a whole grain, as it is, pretty healthy.
And actually, this only has 3 ingredients: popcorn, coconut oil, and salt. So I'm all about it.
Popcorny.
You're not nuts about popcorn. I love popcorn. So this is air popped. I just think there's no reason to eat popcorn that's not air popped. You can use so much less oil, sometimes none at all. Even if the oil is from a healthy source like coconut oil, there's no reason to eat popcorn with like 20 grams of fat in it if you can eat it with 4, right? I really do love popcorn.
So you would rate this pretty highly.
I mean, I could eat this whole bag, but that's any crunchy food. You're more of a sweet
I'm a sweet
person. I'm a
tooth.
salty,
I got a
so
sweetened tooth.
These are gonna kill me because I'll just eat them all day.
Next up, we've got Mary's Gone Crackers Everything Super Seed Crackers.
I love crackers.
You're a cracker head.
I am a
know,
cracker head.
You're big into crackers.
These crackers, it's like brown rice, quinoa seeds, and then there's not even any oil.
Yeah.
So it must be like the flax seed is the binder?
And if I'm not mistaken, these have no eggs, so they're vegan, and no wheat, so they're gluten-free. Welcome to the cracker zone.
These are everything flavors, so garlic, onion, poppy seed, loaded yet light. They are light. You see all the seeds and you think they're gonna be like a heavy cracker, loaded yet light. That's not false advertising, huh? I really just want to put cream cheese on these, but that wouldn't be vegan. But you could get cashew cheese, cashew cream cheese. All right, we've got thin stackers next. I am a huge rice cakes fan. I know you're not like
I'm
nuts.
not.
You're not nuts about it. I love rice cakes, but they are just pretty much empty calories. They don't provide any nutrition.
Yeah, except these have organic brown rice, red rice, and quinoa, so there's a little bit of nutrition in these compared to
And there's no salt.
Oh, there.
That's clever because then, you know, rice cakes go bad.
They do.
So quickly they go stale, and so.
This way, there are a bunch more of the packages inside that can just stay.
So we're just gonna try a plain. I'm not saying I
Try a
usually eat
plain
rice
rice.
cakes like plain, but with like peanut butter or like,
Ooh,
you know.
peanut butter sounds good.
Ooh, yeah, good crunch. I'm not suggesting that you replace your whole grains in your diet with these, but I'm suggesting you replace your rice cakes, if you're a fanatic like me, with these, all right?
Why the heck not?
These are good. Aww.
Next up, we've got Stretch Island Strawberry Fruit Leathers. Original Fruit Leathers.
I love fruit leathers.
You are a fruit
You
leather
don't care
head.
about fruit leathers either. So you don't care about like gummies or any of that. I'm like a huge gummy candy person.
Not me. I'm not into it. Don't have any added sugar, but they have a fruit concentrate, which is...
Okay, we did a video on concentrates. I don't know if you remember, we talked about this. So concentrate is better, right? It's not added sugar. Concentrate is you take the juice, you remove the water from it, or like evaporate the water out of it essentially, and you're left with a concentrated amount of fructose. So when something uses fruit juice concentrate to sweeten, it is better than sugar because it's not added and it's still coming from the fruit, but it's a concentrated amount. So if there's how many grams of sugar in one of these?
looks like 10 grams of sugar.
I wouldn't use this as your fruit replacement, and I would still keep in mind if you're gonna eat a piece of fruit that has, you know, 20 grams of sugar in it, this is 10.
Yeah. It's actually pretty good.
I love fruit leathers.
I know. This isn't like other fruit leathers though. It's not like
It's because
impossible to chew and...
it's not a fruit roll-up. It's, you know,
Yeah.
it's,
But even a lot of some of those natural fruit leathers, they're just like, it's like fruit beef jerky. This is like kind of nice and soft and...
I don't have it. I don't have a sense of moderation with these, so we gotta move them.
No.
Next, we've got Good Bites Coconut Brownie Bites. They're raw, organic, and vegan.
Brownies.
Brownies. Christian loves brownies. That's
I
why
do.
I picked these. These are clean. The ingredients are coconut flakes, cacao, maple syrup, no honey, coconut oil, salt, and vanilla powder.
And I like this packaging.
I know, it's cute. And Thrive Market is zero waste, by the way. If you didn't know, they're like one of the first big companies to go
No
zero
waste.
waste. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like a coconut macaron. Oh, it's dark.
It's chocolatey.
It's chocolatey. I'm not a huge chocolate
Cocoa-y.
person, but these are good. There's 3 grams of sugar in one of these. They're kind of small, but 3 grams is moderate, so yeah, these are clean. If you're big on chocolate, you'll love these. Christian will eat all these, but.
Next up, we've got Hippies Vegan White Cheddar Organic Chickpea Puffs.
Oh, okay, so these have a few more ingredients. Not bad ingredients, but a few more than most of the snacks I picked, but I mostly just couldn't resist because I love puffs. And I've been seeing these everywhere and dying to try them, and I haven't tried them.
Well, this could be a good alternative because you are a corn puff fanatic.
They're more dense than a corn puff. Ooh, it's a good crunch though.
That's a good taste.
Yeah, the flavor is good. It's vegan white cheddar, which is obviously white cheddar is not vegan.
Like
They're
some
good.
onion powder, something garlic.
I would
These
eat
are
this
good.
whole bag though, and there's 4 servings in here. Come on.
Come on.
Next we have Bear Banana Chips. These are naturally baked and crunchy. I've actually had these before.
Well, because Nadia is a freak farm, right?
Yeah, my sister is a freak for these. Actually, whenever we see them at the store, she always stocks up. Now she doesn't have to because we know Thrive Market sells
Very
them.
good, very good.
The only ingredients, bananas, which is pretty cool. They also have like banana and cinnamon and all these other flavored ones, but Nadia insists that the plain banana is the best. They are crunchy.
It was really crunchy, but really, yeah, I'm a big fan.
Super sweet and super crunchy. And only bananas, that's pretty good.
Next up, we've got Sejoya Cocoa Thins Snackable Cashew Cookies.
I love a thin cookie. I have no idea what these are gonna be like, but they use cassava. Just
So there's still some sugar in it.
Yeah, there is coconut sugar in this, which is a lower GI sugar, but still, I mean, there's 8 grams of sugar in 8 cookies. So 1 per, you know, I mean, an Oreo has like what, 6 or 7 grams, so I could eat 8 of these for the amount of sugar in 1 Oreo. And these are salted caramel flavor.
Ooh.
Mmm.
Oh, that's really good, actually.
That's a good crispy crunch. I
These
love
are
the
really
texture. The texture of these is really, really good. They have like 5 flavors of these. We're gonna have to get them all.
I'm loving it.
Everything's been good.
I know, everything has been good.
And these are some products that Thrive sent me with my haul in addition to what I ordered, and I'm really excited to try them. They're all the Thrive Market brand, which means they're going to be even more affordable and higher quality.
That's awesome. And didn't they just start selling fresh food as well on Thrive?
Yes, so not everything, but meat and seafood. I haven't tried it yet. I'm really excited to. It's all grass-fed, antibiotic-free, free range.
It never made sense that organic foods had to cost more than non-organic food.
I know, it's like they're processing the food more. It should cost more to process it more and cost less for less processing, am I right? Okay, let's try this. So this is a paleo snack mix. This is not vegan because there is honey in it, so it's vegetarian, but I really, really want to try it. This is a Chipotle barbecue, and it's got, you know, bananas, cashews, pecans.
Dang.
Dang! Snack mixes are a huge weakness of mine.
Just in general. The Chipotle, it's nice and smoky.
It's not too spicy. I love that crunch.
Yeah. So next up, we've got some organic sriracha cashews.
I'm not a huge sriracha fan, but you are, so. And cashews are actually my favorite nut. So like, there's a chance here, but I'm just not a huge spice person.
Yeah, I know. But sriracha is it's a good.
Sriracha is objectively good. I'm just bad at spice.
Definitely taste of sriracha, not too much heat.
Yeah, I mean, this is not as spicy as I anticipated.
No.
It's not like it's coated in sriracha. No. It's like seasonings. Last, we have an organic dark chocolate, ethically sourced, as everything is on Thrive Market. Now, this is what I thought was so cool when I saw this label. The 2 ingredients are cacao and coconut sugar. I know, I love it. I mean, I'm not a huge dark chocolate fan. You'll probably enjoy this more than I do.
Let's give it a taste.
Coconut sugar is like my favorite, if I'm gonna use an actual sugar.
Yeah.
You can tell it's high quality.
Yeah.
It's dark and it doesn't taste that bitter.
Yeah, and usually like 85%, I love chocolate, but 85% is usually
dark,
like a little bit past my darkness threshold.
I would chop this up and throw it into a cookie.
Yeah, this is very good, very good.
And since it is so dark, there's only 4 grams of sugar per serving, so. Nice! And that is the haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing those healthy snacks in the taste test.
Yep, and if you use the link in the description box below, you can get 25% off your first order as well as a free 30-day trial.
And that is on top of the 25 to 50% off that you get, you know, on the products that they offer already. So it's 25 additional on top of that. You don't need a code. You just have to use the link that is in the description box for it to apply.
Yep, and don't forget, they ship it right to your door. Easy peasy.
Yeah, you don't even have to go to the grocery store. If you want more hauls and taste tests, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you next time, and remember,
it's all a matter of mind over munch.